Receiving a tax notice from the IRS or your local tax authority can be alarming, but it doesn't always mean you're in serious trouble. Often, tax notices are simply informational or request clarification. However, ignoring them or responding incorrectly can escalate the situation. Whether it's a minor correction or a significant issue, the key is to stay calm, understand the notice, and take prompt action. Here are the top 10 steps you should take if you receive a tax notice to protect yourself and resolve the matter efficiently. 1. Stay calm and carefully read the notice. First and foremost, don't panic. Carefully read the entire tax notice to understand what it says. Some notices are routine, such as correcting a math error or requesting additional documentation. Others might inform you of an audit or assessment. The notice will usually explain why you're being contacted, what issue is being raised, and what actions, if any, are required from you. 2. Verify the authenticity of the notice. Scams are common, and tax notices are no exception. Always verify that the notice is legitimate by checking the sender's information. Genuine IRS letters, for example, come by mail, not email or phone call, and will have an official letter number. You can cross-reference the contact information on the notice with the official IRS or tax agency website. If you're unsure, contact the tax authority directly using a phone number listed on their official site, not the one provided in the notice. 3. Check your tax records. Once you understand the content of the notice, review your own tax records to confirm the accuracy of the information in question. Pull out the tax return that the notice refers to and compare figures. Sometimes notices result from simple errors like missing a 1099 form or incorrectly reporting income. Having your paperwork in front of you makes it easier to identify any mistakes or misunderstandings. 4. Understand what the notice requires. Some tax notices are purely informational and require no action on your part. Others may request payment, ask you to provide supporting documents, or invite you to agree or disagree with proposed changes. Pay attention to any deadlines listed. Failure to respond in a timely manner can lead to penalties, interest charges, or more serious enforcement actions. 5. Respond promptly but thoughtfully. If the notice asks for a response, don't delay, but also don't rush without understanding the full situation. Gather any required documents, correct any errors, and prepare a clear and professional response. Some notices provide a simple form to return. Others might require a more detailed letter of explanation. Meeting deadlines shows good faith and can help avoid additional penalties. 6. Don't automatically pay without verifying. If the notice includes a request for payment, verify that the amount is correct before sending any money. Mistakes can happen, and you have a right to contest any incorrect charges. Compare the notice with your tax return, your W-2s, 1099s, and other documents. If you believe the notice is wrong, follow the instructions to dispute it formally rather than paying immediately. 7. Contact a tax professional if needed. If you're unsure how to respond or the notice involves complex issues, such as an audit, alleged fraud, or large tax debts, it's wise to consult a certified public accountant, CPA, enrolled agent, or tax attorney. A tax professional can interpret the notice, help you draft an appropriate response, and represent you if needed. Their expertise can save you from costly mistakes and unnecessary stress. 8. Keep detailed records of all communications. Document every step you take regarding the tax notice. Save copies of the notice itself, your response, any supporting documents you submit, and records of phone calls or meetings. Make sure to note dates and names of any representatives you speak with. Good record keeping can protect you if disputes arise later and will help you stay organized throughout the process. 9. Follow up to confirm resolution. After you respond to the notice, don't assume the matter is closed unless you receive official confirmation. Tax agencies handle large volumes of cases and mistakes or delays can occur. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time, typically 30 to 60 days, follow up to ensure your response was received and that your case has been properly resolved. 10. Adjust your future tax practices. Finally, use the experience as a learning opportunity. If the notice was the result of an error on your part, such as misreporting income or missing a deduction, take steps to prevent similar issues in the future. Improve your record keeping, consider working with a professional when filing future returns, and stay up to date with tax law changes. Being proactive can minimize the risk of future notices and penalties. Receiving a tax notice can feel intimidating, but handling it properly can make a big difference. By staying calm, verifying the notice, checking your records, responding thoughtfully, and seeking professional help if necessary, you can resolve most tax issues efficiently and with minimal stress. Remember, prompt and accurate action is your best defense when dealing with tax authorities. Understanding the process and learning from the experience will make you a more confident and prepared taxpayer moving forward.